You're going to love this. Trust me, what you're seeing now is my normal state. This is a Super Saiyan. And this...
What's going on, my Super Saiyan collectors, and welcome back to another Dragon Ball Z collection update. Today we have a massive Dragon Ball Z haul for you guys, an unboxing, so without further ado, let's get straight into it, because I want to get this stuff done. So, the first on our list will be unboxing. As you can, actually, I'll tell you what we've got. So we've got two Android 18 Super Bonus, Goku Black, Super Saiyan Rose, Saiyan, Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta. We have the Broly from the Limit Breaker series from Dragon Ball Super Dragon Stars, and we also have the Vegeta that I'm not quite sure what range it's from, but anyway, without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the first one on the list will be unboxing this guy. Actually, we won't be unboxing this guy, we're actually going to keep this guy in the box, because there is another one you can get. So yeah, I'm going to keep these guys in the box because you can sort of see them in the window. So anyway, let's do a quick review on this. So there's the front of the box. There's the side, there's the other side, and there's the back. To tell you what other ones you can get. Yeah, super excited to have found this, guys. I didn't even know it was getting released in Australia, so I'm super excited to have this. He's on really nice on top of the shelf, so happy to have really gotten this, but he looks absolutely awesome. Like a big, massive, it's pretty much like a big, massive dragon stars. As you can see that, it's awesome. So anyway, there's that one. So the next one, we have two unboxed. We'll unbox the BWFC Goku Black Super Saiyan Rose. So yeah, remember to cut away from you guys, never cut towards you. Energy sword. Whatever you want to call it. It's actually not bad. This actually is really cool. I like Super Saiyan Rose, to tell you the truth. He's actually really cool. So there he is. He's not actually that big, but he's actually really cool. He's gonna look awesome in the teeth off, something like that. But anyway, there he is, guys. He looks absolutely awesome. I'm super excited about the detail on this. The Empress do amazing jobs with their statues, but he looks absolutely gorgeous. He will go really good in the Super Saiyan Rose shelf, so super excited to have him. I actually wanted him for a while, so yeah, so there's that one. So it's pretty rare. The Super Saiyan Vegeta from Dragon Ball Super something. Get into this. Really difficult. Let's open this guy up. Put the box in there. He's not really that big either, he doesn't really stand that tall either, but he, like I said, big fan of Vegeta, so anything Vegeta is really good. So there's the statue, guys. He looks awesome. There is that. He looks really cool. I like him. And that pose is pretty cool too. But there's that one, guys. So there's a close-up look on that, guys. He looks awesome. So he's going to go really good in the DTOF as well. The Blood of Saiyans, Super Saiyan. This one's already open. Because this one was the last one actually that I had left. I had to get the one that was on display. So I needed to have him to go in the Super Saiyan 4 shelf. The Super Saiyan 4 shelf's actually getting full, you know. Stand. Oh, he looks awesome. The colour on it is amazing. There's a close look on that, guys. I love the Blood Saiyans one. I like the way their hair is. It's like metallic colour. It looks really good. So yeah, there he is with his stand. He looks awesome. Super excited about that, guys, as always. Blood Saiyans line, they are fantastic. Actually one of my favourite lines, to be honest. With the metallic hair, it looks really cool. And they've actually done a really good job with the Super Saiyan 4 lately. So yeah, there's that one. So next one is the Android 18 Glimmer and Glamorous. This is the grey version. So there's the front of the box, straight up. I'm going to show you the other boxes, but you all know they're real, they're not fakes. I don't give no fakes. Cut that way. I was actually seeing these ones online when they got released at my anime shop, and I quickly jumped on these and had them reserved. Because I really want a whole shelf of just the girls themselves. It's going to be very simple to set up. So she looks absolutely awesome, guys. Really pleased with that. I don't have any Android 18, so she's my first Android 18. So super excited to have her. She will find a spot next to Bulma somewhere, hopefully. So yeah, there's that one, guys. Glitter and Glamorous Android 18 by Ben Presto. So there's the front. So let's get this one opened. So these retailed at $39.99. Decent price, really. I reckon it's a decent price for these. They're all $39.99, but for a statue this size, it's really good. I like it. Oh, this one's really cool too. So there you have it. There's the two of them together standing side by side. They look absolutely awesome. The detailing is fantastic. Very happy with them. But like I said, they're all good. Yeah, this haul was actually really nice. They're gonna look really good in the detail and the Broly as well, of course. But they're all going to look really good together. Super excited, guys, to have found the Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta, the two androids, the Vegeta, and the Goku Black, and the big Broly. But like I said, that's all I got for today, guys. Just that quick unboxing for you to show you what I got. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you want to see more or anything in general what you want to see on this channel. But yeah, make sure to put post notifications on, and I'll catch all you guys next time in the episode. So peace.